Okay guys, so I'm back at Adriatica, and here's this American Standard Gold Series running. Got an Alliance Scroll compressor. 2016, that's a 3-ton. These look like 5 tons, but apparently they're 3 tons. This one's off. I think it's been running though. No, it actually hasn't. This one's from 2016. This is a 2-ton? That's crazy. Yeah. These don't look like 2 tons. Alright, so we're going to go on to the next area. And then here's the Samsung Mini Split, which is getting some rust on it. Digital inverter. Alright, let's move on to the next area. Okay guys, here are these 2 Linuxes again. 2021, that's it. This is a 2-ton, I think. I thought there would be 3 tons. It's kind of weird. I think this one is the 3-ton. And this one, I think, just shut off. No. Wait, I think these might be 2.5 tons or 3 tons. I think they're 2.5 tons actually, but I don't know. I think I'm getting like tonnages mixed up. Maybe it is a 2-ton from 2021. And I'm surprised this one hasn't been running. Emerson Copeland Skull compressor for both of these. Oh, there's a brand new Train XR that replaced the American Standard. That's pretty cool. Alright, so on to the next ones. Alright, here are all these again, which, I don't know, there's grass here now. One of these American Standards are running. This one's on, I've never seen this one run. 2014 or 2013, 49,000 BTUs. 2023, 5-ton. Let's see if some of these have been running. This one has. This one has a big recip. Here's the carrier. This one does not sound good at all. This one also running. And that master belt thing just started up. And it scared me. This is the frozen one. It's still here. Well, at least it's not frozen anymore. The big one's off too. This thing's usually on. This thing hasn't even been running. Wow. Has the frozen one been running? No, these might get replaced soon. This one just shut off. I missed it. Maybe I got it. I don't know. Carrier also just shut off. So we got all of these running again. Yeah, I don't think I've ever seen all 4 of these run at the same time. This thing might go soon because it does not sound good. So, there's this one. Yeah, this thing is... Let me see if it's at least cooling. No, it's not. This thing is not working. Not working at all. That's a refrigerant leak. So... that one has a refrigerant leak right there. Alright. Well, I think that's gonna be it. So thank y'all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And well, I'll see you on the next one. Over and out.